Best USB car charger. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 1. ZMI PowerCruise C2 36-watt dual USB car charger with QC 3.0. ZMI's double-port charger gives the quickest USB-A force conceivable in a pleasant metal bundle and at a low cost. We think getting a quicker USB-C charger merits spending somewhat more. However, in the event that you basically need a decent, cheap force source in the vehicle, go with ZMI's PowerCruise CT 36-watt dual USB car charger with QC 3.0. Every one of the 2-port, 24-watt chargers from respectable organizations in this value range works similarly just as some others. Number 2. Anker PowerDrive III Duo. On the off chance that you need to get the quickest charge conceivable to 2 current gadgets, for example, an iPhone 8 or later, or a Samsung Galaxy S8 or later, this is the smartest option. However, you'll need to bring your own USB-C links. With 2 USB-C ports, the Anker PowerDrive III Duo is the thing that you ought to get in the event that you need to quick charge 2 current gadgets simultaneously. Number 3. Nekteck PD 45-watt Type-C car charger. This model can charge phones, tablets, and PCs from its USB-C port. In addition to it has a second port for charging USB-A gadgets. It clings to USB-C quick charging principles and incorporates a quality link. Contrasted and the recognizable USB-A port, the more modest USB-C port can charge most current telephones quicker, in case you're utilizing the correct link, and can even charge tablets and workstations. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.